evaluate integral of 4x plus 1 divided by under root of 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx. Whenever we have the questions in this form, okay. So let I am taking the given integral function as I is equals to integral of 4x plus 1 divided by under root of 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx. Whenever we have the questions in the form, integral form, whenever we have the questions in the integral form, integral of px plus q divided by under root of ax square plus bx plus c, or with root or without root, okay, or the same function if you have in the numerator also, okay, then okay, so working rule, okay, we can write it as px plus q is equals to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Okay, so this is the formula here. We apply this formula now. We can apply this formula. Now px plus q is equals to px plus q. So that means 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1 px plus q is equals to a into d by dx of ax square, that is 2x square plus x minus 3 plus b. Writing as it is, this is equals to a into, okay, so 2 outside, x square coefficient is 2x plus x coefficient is 1 minus constant 0 plus b as it is 4x plus 1. Okay, so now 4x plus 1 is equals to a into 4x plus 1 is equals to a into 2 to the 4x plus 1, 2 to the 4x plus 1 plus b. Okay, so here in this I am taking the integral function as 1, and whatever we got just now, taking this as equation number 2, multiply here. Okay, so if you multiply inside, a into 4x, 4ax, and a1 is a plus b. Left side we have 4x plus 1. Okay, by comparing, okay, if we compare on both sides, x coefficient 4a and x coefficient is 4. 4a is equal to 4, a is equal to 4 by 4. Okay, the value of a is 1. And a plus b. Okay, constant is equals to 1. Substitute a value. Okay, plus b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 minus 1. The value of b is 0. Here. Okay, here we are getting the value of a as well as b. Values of a and b. Okay, so after getting the a and b values, substitute both of these in equation 2. Okay, I am substituting a is equals to 1, b is equal to 0 in equation 2. Then 4x plus 1 is equals to a into 1 into 4x plus 1 plus b. 4x plus 1 plus b means 0 only. Okay, so that means 4x plus 1 means 4x plus 1 only. Okay, so just write this in the question again. Okay, substituting in equation 1. Then the question I is equals to integral of numerator 4x plus 1, we can write it as 1 into 4x plus 1. 1 into 4x plus 1 plus 0, okay, whole divided by, actually we get some other terms in this form, but fortunately you got the same. Okay, so same function in the numerator. Okay, so what we have here in the denominator is 2x square plus x minus 3. 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx. This is equals to f dash x by root f of x is 2 root f of x, 2 into root of, okay, so 2x square plus x minus 3 okay, plus C. This is the formula here. What formula we used here? We used the formula integral of f dash of x divided by root f of x into dx is equals to 2 root f of x. Okay, this is actually a basic method I did. Okay, if we go with the shortcut direct method, okay, so question number 16 here, the question is evaluate integral of 4x plus 1 divided by under root of 2x square plus x 2x square plus x minus 3. Okay, this is the question, right? So direct we can do this 2x square derivative is 4x and x derivative is 1. Okay, whenever we have the question f dash x divided by root f of x, root of 2x square plus x minus 3, direct write the formula. What is the formula here? Okay, here the formula is integral of f dash of x divided by root f of x, root f of x into dx is equals to 2 root f of x, 2 root f of x. So that is nothing but 2 into under root of f of x, that is 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. Okay, so 2 into root of 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. This is only the final answer. Okay, this is second method. You can think this as second method. Okay, so but whatever we did in the first method, that is the regular method. Okay, so only for this question we are getting like this, because direct the derivative is given in the numerator. That's why we are getting the answer directly. Otherwise, we have to follow the first method. Okay, for other problems, okay, for any other problems, we use the first method only. Only in this case, we are getting the solution like this, even in the second method. For more educational videos on CBSE, ISE, State Board and Intermediate as well as IIT-JEE, BITSAT, EAMCET, please like, share, subscribe our Veda online classes. Thank you for watching. Have a great preparation.